Gunit lang sa piso.
We are using our rope for the safety of the entire team. One at a time. Smile sa, smile. Smile.
Ma'am, ayaw yung buhi sa rope, ma'am.
Ay, buhi.
One at a time. Ayaw mo pagdungan. Kay mo labyog ang...
What a job.
This is great. Oh, wow. Wonderful. Oh my God. Muli, gina part of the deal. Gini nani. Pag maghimo galing tao ka ng something, ano, lang, guba na imong shoes jam. Di ba, malingkod ka
Sagdahin na na.
Lagi, ako gano'n.
Wala tayo.
May problema ako. Kuwatag ako kay Bukong naman sa ubos. Ayaw yung buhi sa rope, ha. Sige.
My shoes destroyed. No choice. Whew. No more spikes. Rope. Okay. Time to go. Time to go to the third waterfall, ha? Oh, naguba na akong sapatos. Wala ko choice.
Balik na lang siya.
Wala na! Now you know how rich Iligan City is. Wow! Blue Lagoon!
Tinapay pa, oh. Ano yung nakadaot diha kaya ang mga pagkaon mabilin.
Look at that. Make good. This is Blue Lagoon. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. There are many names in this waterfalls, but most old people call it Blue Lagoon. Blue, oh, color blue, no? The exploration team. Jenny, Cecil, Tourism of Iligan City. Nonoy, Island Living Channel. With the police escorts. Daghan pa mang waterfall sa taas. So this is the second the third waterfall today in our trip. There's more upstairs. Daghan. Naas tumoy.